I think I mentioned brown sugar, but if I did not, brown sugar is often used traditionally than white sugar. When we're in Central America, that's usually what we always find. And that's what majority of the Garifuna people that I know that I've come across, they tend to aim towards brown sugar, which is more natural than the white sugar. So yeah, those are, pretty much the popular items we'll find in the Garifuna household. We'll go through the list again, not in any particular order, but we spoke about consomme, we spoke about the achote or red Ricardo, we spoke about vinegar, lemon, coconut oil, flour, baking powder, habanero pepper, condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, cinnamon, ginger, and brown sugar. Of course, if you have things that you think that we should add to the list, let us know, because I'm sure there's a lot of things that we missed out, but these are just a few of the popular items that we think that you will find in the Garifuna household.
Well, yes. Also, if you have any comments to make sure you leave your comments down below this video so we could actually get ideas on how to improve these podcasts. And again, all of these items that we listed before, you could find them in any Latin market, Latino market, Mexican or Asian, Caribbean. And basically the big stores have the majority of these items as well, to the exception of consomme. Consomme is mostly found in Latin markets, markets from the Caribbean and Central America. So is the achote. The achote or red Ricardo is found in a little paste box or little container, mostly of Mexican origin. We get it from the Guatemalan as well stores. And then coconut oil is popular now everywhere. You could get it at the big supermarkets, even Smart and Final. Flour, habanero peppers found everywhere. Condensed milk is found anywhere. And so that is our podcast for today. Thank you for listening.